There are a lot of moves in the hip hop realm. This week we are going to touch on a few of the basic gists of things. You want to find a groove when you are in hip hop. I talked previously about dressing appropriately for it, and now we're going to find more of the feel in it. You kind of soften things unlike other styles. So you relax a bit more, but it's still a technique in its own right because that is the technique for hip hop. You are not standing or sitting super straight because that's not the vibe. It is not prim and proper. And the reason for that is because when you are doing hip hop, most dancers who perform hip hop have a story. There is some reason why you're kind of internalizing things. There's some reason why you're kind of letting things go. And so you relax a bit, you find more of a groove, and it's very accented, it's very detailed, but you get more of a chill behind it. Finding that though is again a little bit of a challenge. So throughout this week, I want you to find that groove. Practice each of the steps until you feel that softness hit and that groove hit. We're going to go through this week talking a little bit about arm waves and heel toes and improving and puppeteering, miming, all kinds of stuff. So I will see you tomorrow as we start talking about those arm waves. I will see you then.